Welcome! In this video, you will learn how to set up team member evaluation assignments that use a rubric. In team member evaluation, learners assess group member participation and contribution. To get started, access our assignment wizard by creating a new assignment link in your LMS course. Or, if you're not using an LMS, click the New Assignment button. Click Use a Standard Workflow, select Team Member Evaluation, and use Workflow. Enter the assignment name and description. Keep manual grade release to look at the assignment results and manually release them after the deadline. Keep show if you would like learners to see the anonymous rating, comment, and grade results after they're released. Choose hide if you want any of these results to be permanently hidden from learners. For instance, if comment results are hidden, learners will never see what their evaluators said about them, even after results are released. On the deadline screen, choose the publication date and final deadline. Students cannot complete the assignment after the deadline, but you can always change the deadline as needed. Click Finish and continue to Dashboard. To edit the assignment settings, click on the gear icon at the center of the page and Edit. Click Next to view the evaluation settings. If the top gray box is checked, then by default, students will evaluate each of their group members using a rubric. Please note that the points allocation model can be chosen instead of the rubric model. For this video, we're using the rubric model, so we will not check points allocation. If you would like, you can also choose to have students evaluate the group as a whole, evaluate the group leader, or evaluate the instructors. If you select these options, you'll be required to set up additional rubrics for these tasks. If you enable self-evaluation, students will rate themselves, but their ratings will not contribute to their own evaluation rating grade. We recommend keeping evaluators are anonymous checked unless you want students to know which team member made each comment and rating. Click Next to proceed to the grading settings. The overall grade can be based on a completion grade, meaning completion of the required evaluations, the evaluation rating grade, which is the average ratings received by peers, or a combination of the completion grade and the evaluation rating grade. If you check the setting to automatically issue a 0 overall grade if evaluations are incomplete, learners will get a 0 if they do not evaluate their peers, regardless of how their peers rated them. When you're done editing the settings, always click the Finish button to save any changes. Now click Rubric to view, edit, or add a rubric. The group member evaluation rubric is pre-built, but you can edit or delete each prompt. Click the pencil icon to edit. In the advanced settings, you can choose to show or hide the results from specific questions on the student results pages. To delete a prompt, click the small trash can icon. To add your own prompts, click the Add Prompt button. The last thing to do to get the assignment ready for students is set up the groups. Click on the Groups tab. To sync groups from the LMS, click More and Group Sync. Select the group set and sync. You can also choose to copy groups from past assignments, manually set up groups, or import groups via CSV. When the assignment is running, go to Progress to track student activity. You can sort by any of the columns. Click a student's name, and then team member evaluations received or sent to see what they wrote or what their team members wrote. After the assignment is over, you can view the results. Export Results lets you download a spreadsheet with all of the grades, ratings, and comments. Sheet 2 lets you see all of the reviewers' comments on a single page. Scroll down on the Results tab to view average rating scores and individual scores. Click Group to organize the class by group, and click the column headers to sort from high to low or low to high. This allows you to see the high and low performers in each group for each criteria. Thanks for watching this video on Peerceptiv's team member evaluation. If you have questions about how it works, please contact support@peerceptiv.com.